Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Aston Martin. This two-door coupe has a 12-cylinder, 6.0-liter V12 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Aston Martin is a steal with less than 2,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 11 miles per gallon in the city, and 17 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include satellite radio, heated front seats, automatic climate control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power windows, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, and Bluetooth.